Hey everybody, Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Here we are at the tomb of Hafez. This is the tomb of Hafez. Isn't that cool? So this is from 1915. I'm sorry, it's not 1915, it's 1315. So it's the tomb Hafez, and it's associated with a memorial. Isn't that looking good? Oh man. Two memorial structures erected in the northern edge of Shiraz, Iran. Oh, Shiraz. There it is. For Hafez. Comment, like, share, subscribe. This is a long time ago. Great history here. Yeah, Tomb of Hafez. H-A-F-E-Z. From 1325 to 1390 in Iran. Cool, huh? Comment, like, share, subscribe. Love history.